What's the meaning of conspicuousness? Conspicuousness. Conspicuousness.
Conspicuousness. Conspicuousness. Conspicuousness refers to the quality or state of being easily noticeable, prominent, or clearly visible. It is a measure of how easily someone or something stands out from their surroundings. Conspicuousness can be affected by a variety of factors, including size, color, shape, movement, and contrast with the environment. The result of high conspicuousness is that the subject is more likely to be noticed and remembered by others, which can be advantageous in certain contexts such as advertising or personal branding. However, it can also make the subject more vulnerable to unwanted attention or criticism.